What's up, credit family? It's your pops, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about authorized users. Specifically, I'm going to talk about an authorized user success story, in fact, a personal one. I think I mentioned to you guys before in one of my previous videos that I think it's a powerful tool for you to add your kids as an authorized user on one of your credit cards, because that way you can bless them with good credit when they become old enough. As soon as they turn 18, they can have good credit and they can go out on their own and be successful, guys. So I want to share with you my authorized user success story. So if you guys are not, blessing your kids as an authorized user on one of your credit cards or multiple of your credit cards, guys, you're missing out. I think this is a great way to bless your kids as an adult. I know some people go out and buy their kids a car or a house, but it's nothing like having good credit. So about a year ago, I added my kids as authorized users to my credit card. And so my son, I was able to just recently help him get a credit card in his own name, and the credit limit was $7,500, guys. $7,500. Most adults can't even get a $7,500 credit card. In fact, I know for myself, when I first started out, I think my first credit card, the limit on it was at $500. But because I've added my son on my credit card, I think over a year ago, or maybe less than a year ago, as the authorized user, I was able to bless him with good credit as an adult. He's going to have that jump start in life. Instead of me having to co-sign for him to get stuff for the rest of his life, he already has good credit. He can go out and get himself a car, a home, whatever he needs that requires credit. He now has good credit. Instead of me, giving him stuff, he can go out and get stuff on his own because he has good credit. Because about a year ago, I blessed him by adding him as an authorized user on, I think, 2 of my credit cards. And something, I don't recommend this, but this is what I also did. Not only did I add him as an authorized user, but I gave him the credit cards. Kids, they always asking to borrow money from you. So I said, no, here's a credit card. You use it to get the stuff that you were going to normally ask me for it. And you can use it, and then I'll pay it off. So not only was he learning how to use a credit card, he was also blessed in himself with, building his own credit with the gift of that credit card that I gave to him. So a year later, he learned how to use a credit card, and then I would pay it off, and I monitored to see that he was not going out and getting a bunch of junk. And then now it's time he can go out and get his own credit card. And because he has my credit history for the past how many years I've had that credit card, he was able to get his own credit card with a $7,500 credit limit. Guys, I think that is amazing. Good job, son. Good job to me too for being responsible and teaching my kids about credit cards, and then also giving him the opportunity to get a $7,500 credit limit, guys. If you're not doing this for your kids, I recommend that you do this as soon as possible. It's a good way to bless your kids so they can start off on the right foot with good credit. Because I know some families are out there taking advantage of their kids and ruining their kids' credit before they have an opportunity to even start off life. But this is what I recommend. You add your kids as an authorized user on a credit card that you're being responsible for. So when they become adults, they can go out and get their own credit card and don't have to have you co-signing for everything that they need for the rest of their life. So that's all that I have for today. If you haven't done so, give me the old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about authorized users. And that's all I have. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.